What's going on, everyone? Welcome back to another video. As you can tell, out here on my boat today doing some bass fishing. It's cold, it's wintertime, it's been windy all day. We're supposed to get like 4 to 5 inches of rain over the next couple of days, so Nick and I wanted to get out and try to catch some largemouth bass. Started out pretty slow, but let me tell you, we found a pretty cool bite, so stay tuned, you're gonna enjoy it. If you want to support the channel, make sure you like, comment, subscribe on these videos, share them with your friends and family. Also, like I've mentioned in my other videos, I am a loan officer, so if you guys are looking to buy a house, have any questions on how to qualify for a house, leave me a comment down below or shoot me an email at fluentmortgage@gmail.com. I'd love to help you guys out and get you into the home of your dreams, but stay tuned for the rest of the video. There we go. Feels like a good one too. Oh, he's running this way. Stay pinned, baby. There we go, nice one. Just had to slow down. Water temps dropped a couple degrees. Whew, hook fell right out. Nice. Let's check my phone. Some freaking spam number just called me like 5 times. That is a nice fish, probably 3-pounder. Oh, got a little spot right there on the cheek. Awesome. Yeah, like I was just saying, I had to slow down. I spent the first probably hour throwing the crankbait. I think I got one kind of swipe, but it didn't stick. So I just decided to slow down and throw that little finesse jig just to get the skunk off the boat. But I mean, if it's gonna be producing 3+ pounders, might as well fish it for a little longer. That was awesome though. It was absolutely hammered. I pulled that jig off the rock, felt it hit that next little step down, then boom. So far I've caught an old fishing rod and one nice keeper bass. Oh, and there's the bottom. Oh no, do I go get unstuck and blow the spot? Maybe I'll throw the underspin over this and just leave this snagged for now. Well, I guess that answers that question. I got both of them stuck, so I gotta go get them. We can always give this spot a little rest and circle back around. The underspin. Yeah, probably smart. And then I'll throw the little jig. I had to go and bring reinforcements because I've only caught that one fish. Oh, and I caught a fishing rod too. What? Yeah, I threw it. It was like an old, like, shitty one. I threw it away. That's cool. That's what you do. You catch a bunch of random stuff, just deep cranking, dragging bottom. But anyways, Nick's here. We're gonna go. He's gonna throw the little underspin, flashy swimmer, and I'm gonna stick with that little jig, just so we can catch a few more fish. I got one in the live well. Oh. Will we catch a limit? Maybe. We were out here a few days ago, and he got bit quite a few times on the underspin, and then I missed one and landed one on the jig. So there's a chance we might get 5 fish. We're
not going to talk about the fact that I like missed 4 fish.
Yeah. Well, swinging a little hard on the 8-pound.
Yeah, I guess.
All right, let's go try to catch some freaking fish.
You want one?
No, I'm okay right now.
I was looking for my water and I left it. So weird.
Your works.
around?
It's already running.
Oh, nice.
I keep it running all the time. Okay.
Here, go ahead and remove this.
Feisty one.
Oh God.
It's this light rod, dude. It's so fun, though.
I'm gonna need you to pick a side and stick with it. No,
Going left.
just kidding.
We're going left. That's a decent fish.
Yeah, it is.
Dude, why'd they fight so hard? We just needed to crack a beer. There we go.
Nice. Dude, good fish.
Woo! Dude, that was sick. He hammered it.
Dude, that's a fatty.
Got him. Look at that red lips.
Dude, that's perfect.
There we go.
Sweet.
Another like 3.5. Awesome, beautiful fish. Smoked that little jig. He's got the red lips. Munching on some crawdads. Nick just had to crack open a beer.
All done.
The good old beer luck again.
They heard it.
Awesome, awesome, awesome. God, such a beautiful fish. Look at the lateral line on that one. You can see the crushers back in there, all red too.
Dude's got lipstick on, man.
Seriously.
What a fatty. Look at that belly.
From what I've read and the other people I've talked to, that means they're kind of eating crawdad, right?
That's what I've heard. That is what I've heard.
I'm no bass scientist, but that's what I've heard. All right, number 2. So I'm gonna retie after that one. As you can see, I've beaten this jig up pretty aggressively. The hook's doing okay, kind of rolled up a little, just getting snagged on the bottom and ripping it out, but that fish was definitely not coming off anytime soon. It helps having these little wire weed guards, I think. Once you set that hook, these kind of like stick down and kind of pin that bait in that fish's mouth. So this one's got a little life left in it, but just gonna retie. I'm only fishing 10-pound leader, and this part of the lake is very snaggy. These rocks are not very forgiving, so last thing I want to do is hook another good fish and break them off because I'm being lazy. And I have done that before. I think we're all guilty of that.
100%.
Yeah, I'll be
when they're on fire.
Yeah,
you just get it back out there.
Yeah,
just go get it out there, and then you snap off. Darn it.
And then yeah, on the hook set, and then like a 5-pounder jumps.
Yeah.
So try not to be lazy and retie. Moral of that story. Oh, see, I should have cut it further up.
Oh, it broke.
Yeah, I just cinched it down and it just popped again. Yep, like I was saying, these rocks are not very nice, so. Oh, I barely pulled on that too, dude. That fish was one run away from breaking off, I think.
Oh, there's one.
Oh yeah, right on cue. Is that on the underspin?
Yeah. Oh, it's feisty, dude.
They're fighting hard for how cold it is. That wind is freaking brutal.
Oh, she's pissed. Dude, she is not coming up.
Get the gaff. Big ol' carp, dude. Oh, I see leader. And
Oh
it's
God,
gone.
This fish is pissed. This fish is not happy.
It's so ridiculous. We just got those 2 bites after running,
Dude, this
fishing for what, 45 minutes?
Big fish.
You think so?
Yeah.
Oh, we're about to run aground.
Go ahead, give it some.
Wind swirling on us.
Oh my God.
Nick's got the bluefin. Dude,
Oh no, get off the bottom. Get off the bottom.
you want me to slide him out deeper? Or?
No. I felt bottom now. Oh my God.
We keep getting to that leader. It's Gotta be a big old cat, dude. It's not jumping.
Dude, it had. Oh my god. Come on.
That's so funny.
Dude, my hand's cramping up.
We gotta at least see it. Is that leader?
Yeah.
Okay. Oh, bubble.
It's a big old cat.
Pissed off catfish. Dude, nice one though.
Oh my god. Dude. Jeez.
That's a nice channel.
Oh my god.
6-7 pound channel cat. I was like, dude, it hasn't jumped. There's no way.
Yeah, there's no, yeah.
That's so fun though.
Because your
wow.
pliers, please, sir.
Yeah, he was not coming off.
No.
You like double hooked him. Look at that belly. Little boop, boop, boop.
Yeah, this fish was pissed.
Nice, dude. Really just needed to crack that beer. Nice one.
Well,
that's so funny.
It wasn't the bass we were after, but we'll take it. That's a big cat.
Yeah.
Dude. Look how long that fish is.
Then it's just so healthy too. Like, nice full tail, big old belly.
Wow. All right. Live well? Yeah, right.
We'd never get it out.
All right, dude. What a big fish. Look at that thing.
Nice.
All right, let's let her go.
Oh, that just hit it. Yeah. Oh, yeah, you did. Oh. I think that was the right choice of lure, huh?
Oh no! 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 No!
No! That was a good one too. Oh, dude, he just spit it right at the last second. I almost had him. I almost freaking had him, dude. No! That sucks.
That was such a healthy fish.
Dude, he came straight up, jumped, spit that hook, and I had him like
half his body was in
half his body, but unfortunately it was the tail half. Oh, that was a good one. That was a 5.
Such a big fish. It's like short, just tall.
Yeah. So he switched to a little jig, the HUD bug.
He ate it right here, right off the street.
Yeah.
No.
Oh, that's brutal, dude.
Do you want to go on the inside or you can
No,
go
go
on?
on.
Oh. No.
I hate it when they just come straight up at the last second. It's like you want them to dig there, you know?
It's alright.
Brutal. All right, well, keep trying. No, keep you up at night.
Yeah, well, could have been worse. Could have been a 10.
That's true. That's very true. I think I saw it actually load up too. Oh, it went. I got it.
Yep.
Okay, well. We just needed to make a move, huh? Okay. This one is so feisty, dude. Another fat one.
Dude, he's
Let's
huge.
go.
Oh my god, he's
Yeah,
pissed.
bud. This is an dude, look at that thing.
You double up here.
Yeah, seriously. Okay. you just got smoked also.
Yeah.
Look at the freaking build on that fish.
Jesus.
Just smoked that thing. That's awesome. 3.5 pounder. That was as acrobatic as a 1 pounder. It's so cool. Oh man, I love the build on them this time of year. Look at that thing. So badass. Thanks, fat girl. All right, we just we made a move trying a completely different part of the lake. And Nick, was that your first cast right up against the bank?
First cast.
Right on the bank, and an inch of water, got smoked. Just boom, boom, missed the hook. I just made that cast and got bit a little bit further off there. Water's dirtier on this part of the lake, but obviously there's still fish here. Oh, it's a fish. Oh my god.
You're bit.
Dude,
oh god.
Good one. Oh, dude, an inch of water.
I'm here. Holy god, yeah.
Yeah. Dude, an inch of water, not kidding.
That was a good fish. Big tail.
Is that a catfish? Fighting like a catfish. Am I gonna be part of the catfish club? Its tail came up, but not the head. Oh yeah, that's a cat.
Yeah.
Dude, I literally casted like right up on that like chunk rock right there, and just like swam off.
You sure?
I don't know.
That's bass.
Oh, is it?
Yeah. A big bass. Dude.
Dude, he wasn't jumping like head shaking.
Oh my god, look how big he is.
Dude, that fish was so shallow. Oh my god.
Oh my god. Dude.
How's that one? Dude, that was like the weirdest bite I've had in such a long time.
That was sick.
Oh man.
That was so sick.
He was doing the catfish come up and like tail slap and like side to side. Look at that. Just ate that little jig. That's so cool. Another awesome, awesome fish. Rad. Dude,
What a big
freaking weird. What's funny is this one's probably the same weight as the one I just caught, but he's just like, he's longer. But that other one's just all girthy. Got one?
Yep. Ready?
There we go, on the crank.
On the crank, baby. Not a giant.
Oh, dude, look at the chunkiness of that one, though. Is that the rock crawler?
Yeah.
I freaking love that thing, dude.
Dude, he's got a bunch of weird growths on him. Oh yeah, he's got a bunch of boils on him.
Ew.
Look at all those.
Lick it.
I think I'm gonna pass.
Nice, dude. On the crank.
Oh, fatty.
On the crank. Put him in the tank. That's a keeper. That's number 5. I was literally just turning the camera back on to show you guys how messed up this poor little jig is. This thing has been stuck on the bottom and in fish's faces all day. I'm like intentionally trying to lose it. Like I'll get it snagged. I'm like, whatever. I'm just gonna break it off, and it just keeps pulling through. It's still getting bit, but dude, nice one on the crank. That's freaking rad. There's a school of them here that seems to be pretty fired up. So I'm gonna slowly back this back just a little bit. We kind of found a spot out of the wind. It's still kind of ripping out on like the main section. So I wonder if that's why they're kind of hanging out right here. The water temp's like, it's actually 1.5 degrees warmer. So that's, might have something to do with it. Oh. Oh. What the heck is happening? Oh, another good one.
bit.
What the hell?
Dude.
It's just like 3 to 4 pounders all day.
Oh my god, dude.
All right, I think we found where they're stacked up. That is insane. Yeah.
All right, let me get my jig.
Yeah, fire that thing up there, bro. They're right on that chunk rock. That's so rad.
Right up tight?
Yep.
That's so freaking cool.
Look at the belly on them.
That is so cool.
Oh man, another beautiful fish. That one hammered it. Absolutely hammered it. That poor jig.
Oh, it just broke off.
Oh, were you throwing 4-pound again?
No. Dude, he took it right down the other side of that rock.
Oh yeah, that's the one. Oh yeah. I was like, that's the one. Another good one.
Coming up. Oh, come on.
Come here, fishy. They really like to turn their head away from it, huh?
Nice.
Dude, this is crazy. Well, what started out as very...
Nailed it.
Dude, that's gone. Down the hatch. What started out as very slow.
Wow.
That's another beautiful one, dude. Look at the lateral lines on that. I think for the first 2.5 hours, I had one fish. Now we found one little spot where the water's a little warmer,
Chunky monkey, dude.
and they're just stacked. That is so much fun.